Hey, what's up? It's Mark Terravolini, and in this video I'm going to be talking about pre-filling drywall. So down here I replaced these sections of drywall before and screwed them into the studs here. And the thing is I have these cracks here. So it's not completely flush here, and there's a pretty decent sized crack here and it's a little smaller here, but sizable enough. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take this mud here and I'm going to pre-fill all these cracks with mud. And the reason is because if you don't and you just put the tape on there, which I'll do in another video, it can actually shrink up and crack at a later point in time, which wouldn't look good if it cracked all the way along. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do this so I can prepare it for the tape. So here we go. So I don't have my large knife right now, but this should work just fine. So I just want to kind of get it in the crack as best I can. Just going to kind of push it in there. Kind of a pain to do this in a large area, but it'll save you down the road from having to do it over again. So there's just a really large crack in here, so I'm going to get a good amount of mud in there. This way, when I put the tape on there, the tape doesn't have any air getting to it at all, which will make it kind of crack. So it's sandwiched between solid coats of mud, so it'll just be a lot more of a solid finish than it would be otherwise. So I'll go ahead and bang this out real quick and I'll show you, well, I'll speed up the video here because this is going to take a while. So. All right, so I finished up and I'll show you how I did here. So basically just patched it all up, just pre-filled all the cracks, basically all the joints, filled it in with a bunch of mud everywhere, all the way down. And then up here, I didn't show this on camera, but I did it up here as well. So that's all filled in, that's ready to go. And like I said, that's gonna help stop it from cracking. I'm gonna put tape down. So the next step I'll show in a different video is I'll put tape over these joints, and you won't see, you know, this will be all blended. You won't see any lines or anything. And like I said, this will help stop it from cracking in the future. So that pretty much covers it. If you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.